If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Kraken before it completes, follow these steps to ensure the process is done correctly. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Access your Kraken account by entering your credentials on the Kraken website or app. Ensure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to the Orders section. Once logged in, find the Orders tab on the main dashboard. This section displays all your current and past transactions, including pending orders. Step 3. Locate the pending transaction. In the Orders section, look for the specific transaction you wish to cancel. Pending transactions are usually marked clearly, so identify the one you want to cancel. Step 4. Select the transaction. Click on the pending transaction to view its details. This will provide you with more information about the order, including its status and the option to cancel it. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. Look for the Cancel button or option associated with the pending transaction. Click it to initiate the cancellation process. Confirm the cancellation when prompted to ensure the transaction is removed from your orders. After following these steps, your pending transaction should be successfully cancelled. Always double-check your orders to confirm the cancellation has been processed.